Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. What's going on, man?
What's up, man? You can leave that door open.
Yep, info first.
Oh.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, that's right.
YouTube JacobViral. What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Gary, man. I got two DD9918s on 2 Salt AKs.
Okay.
Right now I got it wired pretty low, so
Yeah.
Box is 25 on the bottom, 50 on the top. 6 of them.
Okay. Who built this? Looks good.
I did all the work. My friend Matt, he built the box.
Okay.
But I did all the wiring.
Yeah.
Alternators, everything.
Nice.
Yeah, 200 amp hours of LTO.
Okay.
2 McMahon 400s. Yep. 2550 or 5025.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it does pretty good. 2 DD9918, like I said.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
I think you saw this before when it was a no wall.
Probably.
Sundown last year.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. I like it, man. Yeah, I would love to hear it. This looks good.
I demo with
Door open?
Yeah, I demo.
Okay.
with
Door open?
Yep.
All right. PRV doors.
Yep.
Smart. Have you done any SPL tests on it?
159.9.
Oh, really? That 99. Wow.
Yeah,
So close to that 60 burp.
Yeah, I can't get over it, man.
You'd be surprised. Take this out, just these out, you might gain that 10.
Maybe,
Just a suggestion there.
Yeah, probably so, yeah. I never demo without the seats in.
I like your brace too. Keeps it from brace flexing, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. These are beefy subs. What are these rated at, RMS wise, do you know?
I think they're 3500. They're 4-inch coils.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Awesome.
4-inch coils, yeah.
Are they handling the power pretty well?
Man, I've only blown one, but the game won't. But I watch it pretty good. Yeah, man. But yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Is the amps in the back open?
Yeah,
What?
yeah, everything's open
awesome.
back there.
I really like it. Everything from your dash to the brace, the way your port layout is. You did a good job, man, for a 2-sub system. Good job, man.
appreciate it, man.
You too. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? Right here. You did a good job. I remember him. Yeah, man.
But I gave you that one click on that 28 to 29, man. It's like it's a world difference. Yeah. The info message just jumps off. Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing, man? How you doing? Doing good, man. Doing good.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Nigga stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga?
So what did you do to turn it up like 2 dB just instantly?
One click.
One click. There you go. It was hitting in that next click. I'm like, oh yeah, there you go. Nice job, man. I really appreciate it.